My honey just got, she likes to walk like 8 or 9 miles a day at a pace of about 4.5 miles per hour. But for her, it's just not enough. So what she did was she ordered like 10 pounds of extra weight. So now she's,
I need a knife.
We need a knife. How come it doesn't have like a
There's no
thing?
opening. It's just right
So
here.
stupid. Try not to cut me. Oh, Jesus. She just fucked the candle. All right, there it is. Pull her out. Woo! Oh, wait a minute. It's in another bag. Unzip it. That's nice. It comes in its own little bag. Oh, wait a minute. There's more unwrapping. Pull, 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 pull. Oh, all right. We got that. Save the bag. That's a nice bag. All right, here we go. Get it. Rip it open. Oh, my God. I think this one, oh, look, what's this? You got extra weight.
Extra even.
All right, try it on.
That's too much weight.
Try it on. Let me see.
This is the better one because the weight is,
Why are you taking weight out?
because it's too heavy.
Well, look,
I'm going to take out a couple.
can we put it on me or something?
Yeah.
How much do you think these weigh? They're like a half a pound. Look at it says, W fit. All right, I think that's good. I would take off the end one so it's not uncomfortable.
How much does it say it weighs?
I don't know, it weighs a lot, man. It feels like a brick.
No, it is.
Yeah, it doesn't tell you anything. I think what we have to do is we got to put it around your waist.
So this is 8 pounds total.
All right, let's put it around your waist. Let's see it. Let's see what we think. So this part here is going to go through
So
this
is it
part
8
here.
pounds with it, or is this?
That's
guess-
8 pounds.
No, so I guess it was 8 pounds, which is not too much, which is what I want.
All right, put it back in.
So actually, they sent it. Why did they separate it? Because there's 2 missing?
No, they give you extra.
No, there's not extra. These are missing.
You
Right
need
here.
you need one here,
Yeah, these are missing. So they didn't fill them up
bastards.
for whatever reason.
Why are
You
they
know?
being so mean?
Because it cracks my glass top.
Yeah, you don't want to drop it hard on here. Let's try not to cut our fingers.
I'm not going to.
Hang on, let me just get the knife away from you, for Christ's sake.
Knife
Jesus.
is not in my way.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's the famous last words. You got it?
No, I don't.
You can do it.
I can't
Here.
bend my fingers to get it out.
Hang on, I'll get it. Bam, done.
So I thought I ordered the 10-pound one, but 2468. I guess that's fine because that's
It is a 10-pounder.
no, it's 8.
Well, it's easy. It's easy to figure it out, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's 8 pounds.
Yeah.
All right, let's put it around your waist.
So this is going to go like this.
Yeah. So it goes like that. And then, oh, it's for fat girls. It's not for skinny girls. I think it's for fat girls, not skinny girls. You see what I mean? That. Well, wait a minute. It goes down on your hip.
Well,
It goes on your hip.
it doesn't have to go on my waist.
Yeah. Oh, look at
Probably
that.
more comfortable that.
Oh, yeah, because you've got you've got good childbearing hips.
Yeah, that's more comfortable that way.
How's it feel?
Feels good.
All right, you gonna try it today?
Yes.
All right, then you'll give us. Or you're gonna tell us what you
I'll
think.
call
on the
you
end.
in 15 minutes when I drop dead.
When you need me to pick you up because you're too tired. Because you got 8 more pounds. Just imagine, like, you weigh 110 pounds.
No, I weigh 116, 17, 18.
All right, so now you're going to be at about 125. All right, let's give it a shot.